So check out this bulb socket. It's pretty much trashed, but it's all rusted. Water got into it, and the bulb itself is fused, so can't even replace the bulb. So I'm gonna replace it with this new socket and LED. So here's a comparison of the side markers. Here's the stock one that came off my car from England, but gotta replace it. Has a crack right there, and the gasket is degrading. It's falling apart. Here's the side marker from DeLorean Go. Looks pretty clean. Here's the new gasket. So this was very interesting. As I was cutting into this wire protector, it started bleeding with water. So it's weird because it's like all this water was inside of here. See, it dripped to the ground. And then this is what's left of the socket. The bulb came off and it's all corroded inside. So after you strip the wire, there's like, I don't know if it's just my car, but there's like this coating on the wire itself. So I just kind of took this blade and scraped that coating off. Otherwise, there won't be any electrical contact. So I winded up the wires, and then I have this shrink tube over it, which I'll heat with a heat gun, and there you go. LED is working. And here is the new side marker with the LED. Looks pretty clean. Alright, new LED side marker on the DeLorean, and it looks great. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future.